12-volt battery is powering my generator. The generator is a drain pump. I think it's from a Samsung washer machine. The motor is the popular 775 motor. It runs at high speed from 12 volt. It takes 12 volt and run at high speed. I'm going to give it 12 volt. Let's see the output in AC. The output is in AC. Battery, the battery is 12 volt. It's powering the DC. The DC motor is a 12 volt DC motor, high speed. And then the drain pump. The drain pump here is producing AC. The AC is producing here is around 460 volts. 460 volts. Let's see what it can carry. So I connect load. I connected it in series because the voltage was 400 plus that time, and this bulb are built for 220 volts. So I connected them in series. Although I might just try and connect it in parallel. I don't know if it will spoil my bulb, but then I will learn something. Now I increase the load. Let me see what will happen. This is a 60 watt bulb and this is a 200 watt bulb. But I connected them in parallel this time around. Since this load is heavier than the former one. So let's plug it. What will happen? Let's see. Okay. It gives like only one bulb. It gives like only one bulb. I will check the other one, maybe it's not connected. Oh, it's actually connected. I'll try to use it to charge battery. The batteries that I need to charge are these ones. Let me check the voltage. They are dead. 11.7. Let me check the next one. They are all dead. 10.3. So let's just start charging.